we are going to practice how to copy, cut and paste. Always remember that there is a difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Copy and paste simply means duplicate, but cut and paste means removing a text from its original position to another position. Now let's just practice. You highlight what you want to cut. Now let's say I want to cut this and make it to appear first. You just say, go to menu and say cut. You click cut, is now out. Now you come up here and place it before the quote. Now remember, I pressed enter key to create a space and move up again. Now you go back and say paste. You can see it appears. Now the quote is now down or after the main introduction. Don't just watch, also subscribe to this channel as we roll. Thank you and God bless you.